how to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. So this is my Shopify admin, and we know that on our Shopify store we have this logo. So we have this logo at the end, or you can call it advertisement, powered by Shopify. So if you want to remove this, we can actually do it. What you guys need to do is you will click on online store, then you have to click on themes. So once you click on themes right here, what you guys need to do is you will click on edit code. So here we will actually editing the theme that we have selected. Now it also depends on your theme, what theme you have selected. So here we just need to customize the code a little bit and we will be able to get rid of it. So we can search for files, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for powered by. I hope it will open it up this way. We have assets, locals, and snippets. So what you guys need to do is you can actually search for powered by and you will customize your theme. From here where the word powered by is written, what you guys need to do is you just remove it like this. If we just remove from here, click on edit, you can see. So don't get frightened by the coding. You don't need to do anything. You just need to find the word powered by right here, and then you will just erase it. Don't need to add anything. And once you do it, click on save preview store and your powered by will be removed. Now it depends on your theme as well. If your theme allows it to customize this way to edit the coding, then you will be able to do so. It also depends on the plan that you have selected with Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.